Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma. Today, you will hear slow and clear speak English Emma's story. Let's start now. Oh no, I feel sad today. My English is very bad.
What happened?
I understand English. I really do. But I cannot speak. Not like I want.
That sounds frustrating.
I watch videos. I listen to podcasts. I know the meaning, but my mouth stays closed.
I know that feeling.
People think I am quiet, but I am not. I just feel blocked. When I speak English, my heart beats fast. My hands feel cold. I want to speak, but I freeze.
Yes, I remember this very well. You are not alone. This happened to me before. Many years ago.
Really? You speak easily now.
Not always, but I learned. I understood movies, I read simple books. But speaking was hard, very hard.
That is exactly me. I feel better now. I am not strange.
You are normal. This is common. Listening is safe. Speaking feels risky. You show yourself. That is scary.
Yes, I feel exposed. I am afraid of wrong words, wrong sounds.
Mistakes are part of learning. Children make mistakes. They still learn fast.
That is true.
Your brain understands. Your mouth needs training.
So my mouth is lazy.
A little. You need a system, small and simple.
I like simple.
Think in English every day. Easy thoughts. I am walking. I am sitting.
I can do that. I am sitting on a bench. The park is calm.
Perfect start. Speak alone first. No people.
No pressure.
No pressure. Talk about your day. Use short words. Use slow English videos. Pause and repeat. Your mouth needs time.
I like slow pace.
Listen once. Repeat once. Again and again.
Like exercise.
Don't use big words. Clear words are better.
I try to sound smart.
Sound clear first. 5 minutes every day. No excuses.
5 minutes feels safe.
Not long time, every time.
I understand. I am speaking English now, slowly.
That is success.
I feel different, less fear.
Confidence grows slowly. Don't compare yourself. Everyone learns differently.
I compare too much.
Speak to learn, not to be perfect.
That helps. The weather is nice today. The trees are green.
Great sentences.
I am speaking, and I am okay.
Yes, you are okay. Give yourself time, weeks, months.
I will wait. I was so hard on myself.
Be kind to yourself.
Thank you for listening.
Anytime. Think in English. Speak alone. Practice daily.
Simple steps. I will speak every day, even when it feels strange.
That is the key.
I feel hopeful now.
Hope is powerful.
I am not perfect, but I am learning. Slow English, every day.
Keep going.
Today, I talked about my English problem. Understanding English, but not speaking. If you feel the same, you are not alone. If this slow English story helped you, Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more slow English stories. Write a comment below. Can you understand English but not speak? Practice with us. Speak slowly every day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.